Hello children, please open up page number 46 in your computer reader. Today we will read and understand lesson number 5. Lesson 5, Mouse and Input Device. In this chapter we will learn about the computer mouse and its types. We will also learn functions of mouse buttons. And we will learn flipping the right and left button of a mouse. A mouse is an input device. It looks like a real mouse. It is small in size and has a tail which is attached to the CPU. Now this is the computer mouse and it looks like a real mouse because a real mouse has a tail and a computer mouse also has this small tail. It is not a tail, actually it is a cable which is connected to the CPU. Now I'll show you the real computer mouse. Now this is your computer mouse. It has two buttons. This is the left button, this is the right button, and it also has this scroll wheel. Now we will read from the book and understand. A mouse has two buttons. The button on the left side of the mouse is called the left button. This button on the left side of the mouse is called left button, and the button on the right side of the mouse is called right button. This is the right button, this is the left button, and here on this blue mouse pad a mouse is kept. The left button is used for left click and the right button is used for right click. A mouse helps us to move the pointer and draw pictures on the computer screen. This is the computer mouse and it helps us to draw pictures on the computer screen and also to point at certain places on the monitor. And it is also kept on the mouse pad. This is the mouse pad. Now let's learn about mouse pad. A pad on which we move the mouse is known as mouse pad. As we move the mouse on the mouse pad, the arrow-like pointer on the monitor also moves. This pointer is known as the mouse pointer. Now look at the screen. Now look at the screen, children. Can you see this mouse pointer which is moving? This one. This is the mouse pointer. Mouse pointers are of different types. For example, these all four are mouse pointers. And they are used for different functions. Now we will learn about types of mouse. A mouse can be of different types. Two button mouse, scroll mouse. Now this is a scroll mouse. Here you have the scroll wheel, you have the left button and the right button. Now we have different types of scroll mouse available. Let us learn about different types of scroll mouse. Come to page number 47. Scroll mouse. A scroll mouse has a scroll wheel in the middle of the left and the right button. We can move a page up and down by moving the scroll wheel. When we move the scroll wheel up and down, we can move the page up and down on the screen. Now, a scroll mouse is of two types. Ball mouse. A ball mouse has a ball under it. This ball helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. Now here you have, I'll show you the ball of the mouse. This is the ball mouse, this one, and here is this part is the ball of the mouse, and it helps to, what does it do? This ball helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. The next type of scroll mouse is optical mouse. OPTICAL mouse, optical mouse. An optical mouse uses light instead of a ball for movement of the mouse pointer. So what is the difference between a ball mouse and an optical mouse? A ball mouse uses the ball to move the mouse pointer on the screen, whereas an optical mouse uses light instead of a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer. Now let us read how we will hold the mouse. Holding and moving the mouse. Place your palm on the mouse. Hold it with your thumb and the last two fingers. Let us hold the mouse. Let us see how we will hold the mouse. Now this is your mouse. We have to hold the mouse with the palm. And how will we hold it? We will put our thumb on one side and the last two fingers we will put here on the mouse to hold it firmly. And we will place our index finger on the left side of the mouse and your middle finger, this one, on the right side of the mouse. And here we will do left click, and from here we will do the right click. Let's read it now. Let's read. Place your index finger on the left button. Here index finger is on the left button and middle finger is on the right button. Now move the mouse on the mouse pad. Watch the movement of the pointer on the screen as you move the mouse. When you hold the mouse in this manner, which is the correct manner, and you move the mouse on the mouse pad, you will watch that the movement of the pointer is seen on the screen. Now look at the screen. I am moving the mouse on the mouse pad and you will see the pointer, the movement of the pointer on the screen.